In this video, I'll show how to use the InDesign script style characters. The script looks for characters set to bold, italic, or other styles, and applies a character style to them. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. I'll begin with an empty document, just one page. There aren't any character styles or paragraph styles. Not that it's required. Having styles already isn't a problem. I just want to start clean for this demonstration. Let's place a Word doc. I'll hold Shift so pages are added as needed. Notice the place icon changes when Shift is down. That means auto flow. Once placed, pages have been added to hold the entire story. Now let's look at paragraph styles. A few have been added, and one character style. Next, let's turn on the Style Override highlighter. In the Paragraph Styles panel, open the flyout menu and toggle the Override highlighter. This shows where characters have been styled manually. First one is obvious. It's italic. Second one won't show correctly when the highlighter is on. Change the screen mode to preview. Now we can see the text is underlined. The third is obvious too, bold, and there are plenty more. If we leave these overrides, there's a risk they could get lost later while styling the imported text. Here's an example. Not that I'd recommend doing it this way, but if you change the font manually and choose a specific style, it wipes out these overrides. Now the entire paragraph is an override, and the styling from Word is gone. It's better to set the font with a paragraph style, but even then, manual styling can still be lost. I'll make a new paragraph style, body text, and set the font to Lato. Then set the first paragraph to the new style. The font has changed, and the overrides remain. But in the Paragraph Styles panel, all it takes is one click to clear overrides. And the styling from Word is gone. So it's best for these overrides to use character styles. That's where the script comes in. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script Style Characters and double-click to run it. The interface has two sections, Search and Styles. Choose to search either the entire document or the selected story, and check which styles to find. Each will be set to the character style in the corresponding drop-down list. Any character styles that don't exist are created. Now to get it done, click OK. First thing you'll notice is the override highlighter appears off. No, I didn't turn it off. There are no overrides to show because now they're all set to character styles. And in the list of paragraph styles, clearing overrides isn't an option because none exist. That's the first benefit of using character styles. Now to show some other benefits. I'll select all and make it body text. No problem, overrides are safe. All are character styles. Let's suppose bold isn't bold enough. Okay, edit the bold style. Let's make it black. This works because Lato has black, why I chose it. It also has light. Let's make italic light italic. Now both stand out a bit better. And for underline, make it bold and italic instead of underline. That looks better. It's all a matter of taste. The point is to show the greater control character styles offer, and how the script helps you get there. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.